Grant.
So it's missing its engine cover, which is a big ugly piece of plastic that says V8.
Well, we don't like those.
It's got brand new fancy belts. It's got lots and lots of love. Mr. Bobby, a month and a half ago,
Tell a story.
no, 2.5 months ago, and I've got to make me forward you the video.
Oh, yes.
Started it one morning, 85,000 miles, 5,000 mile oil changes, never abused, never modified. Is a manual, which means it routinely gets to 6,000 RPM. Just a chit, 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 chit. And I literally thought it was like a bearing in the alternator. So I video it, send it to Bobby. He's like, bring it over immediately. He works across the street from me within 6 hours or less. He's laying on the engine going, it's back here, it's in the valve train.
And that was exactly where it was.
Exactly where it was. There was a bent push rod on the far back, and there was a chewed lifter, one cylinder in it. And we thought...
We have pictures of said lifter. We'll add them here in the video.
We hoped that it was just a collapse of the hydraulics in the lifter, and we bought all the bits and pieces, which were in the $700 range.
Reasonable, overall.
And you've got enough space. You should do some video down here where you can see like the ground. There is enough space to get in here.
It's an upholstery.
The engine in the car to pull the heads off. So
we pulled
airbox
it.
Came out, intake manifold came off, all the spark plug crap, which is like 4 bolts, off, valve covers, which is 5 bolts, off, loosened up the rockers, took those off because of the design of an LS3, because this doesn't have displacement on demand, but it could. The inner valley is closed.
But thankfully, it doesn't have displacement on demand because it would have done that years
Does
ago.
not.
Yeah, mine has that.
Those are
We lifted,
horrendous.
and by we, everything is Bobby. We lifted the cylinder heads off.
You drank beer and held the light. You were fine.
And as we went through, and we got like good lifter, little scratchy lifter, good lifter, you're fucked.
Yep. Good. We're fucked.
And what that is,
Hey, Luna.
is a chunk at the lifter top, the roller lifter, simply separated. There's a scuff mark right on the front, so my thought is the roller may have stopped for a split second and just loaded up on the cam. But
It's a metallurgy issue.
we turned the engine and he was like, cam's done. Now there is enough room here, once you take all this out and the radiator, to bring the cam forward and out. And even if you slightly lift the front of the engine, you can get the oil pan out with the whole thing in the car still.
Oh, yeah.
Attached to the transmission. But that was beyond what we had the time and ability to do. So
Well,
went to Jessup.
time.
We
Done
had
it.
multiple discussions with Jessup, from new engine with 3-year warranty, replaced parts in it. And Jessup, to their credit, accepted it with the heads off.
Mm-hmm.
There was a towel over this, and everything was in the trunk.
Well, I've waxed in Jessup's ass enough times at autocross. He better just be like, oh, Bobby touched it. It's good.
So Jessup needed to look at it, agreed the heads were okay, everything was okay, agreed to take the cam out with it in the car, and in doing that, scratched all the cam bearings.
Yeah,
coming out of
because
the car.
their technician doesn't know how to pull a camshaft.
And then the price
yank
just
the
kept
damn
going
thing?
up
Yep.
and up and up and up. And I said, I need to talk to the service writer. And long story short, GM put in over $3,000 in parts. Jessup put in over $1,000 in labor. And I put in less than 5 figures, but not much. And the engine came out, and it has all new cam bearings, and it has a new cam. It's got a new water pump. It's got a new harmonic lifter, which are things. If you notice,
Balancer?
the whole front of their balancer,
End is shiny.
the whole
You-
front end is shiny.
You and I discussed that we need to do the balancer anyway.
Yeah, the balancers are known to. Just
I mean, I
kinda
wish it was.
separate
It
the
wish it
bubble.
was a nice badass ATI or something cool.
Yeah,
You know, it's fine for now. When this one shits, we'll put a nice one on.
but we're back.
We're back
Yay!
with the SS.
And what's the name of this car?
Mr. Bitches.
I hate to say this. I think every 75,000 you just change the roller lifters because the other part of it is run it till something fails and then bang the cam. And this could have easily
Oh, hey.
done
Interruption.
a lot more damage.
Interruption.
Luna?
It's AA Ron. It's okay. Oh, hey. How are you, sir?
Happy car class.
That's a fine Kia Rio you're in, sir.
Yeah. This is a fine Kia Rio. Congratulations on getting your first car back. Is it running great? There you are. Hi.
We're so far so good.
Luna approves.
Off to Florida.
All right.
It's the one you sold.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, car.
Bye. Enjoy Florida.
Luna.
Hope you make sure the AC works.
Oh, hey, it's Christian.
Oh, girl. Oh, girl, you came out of
Hi.
your shell.
I did.
Welcome back. You have your power now?
No, we still don't have any.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah.
Come go over and get my generator.
They said maybe by 7, so we're hoping by 7.
You need a generator?
Woof.
I think Aaron has one. I just don't know how to use it.
It's
So.
fine.
Not surprising, right? Not surprising at all. It was nice seeing you guys.
All right.
Cool. Aaron's on a mission right now.
Woo.
Happy car class.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Luna says, what's up? Yeah, like they didn't come say hi to me. What the hell? All right, so Mr. Bitches is back.